If you want to know how I got this chocolate with a little hint of glitter, smoky eye, you know what to do. Continue to watch. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to work again. I'm going to be rolling these looks out if I can when I'm heading to work. So get ready with me for work. Okay, so this is the eye look for today. It's just a brown smoky with some browns, a little shimmer on the lid. I may add some more shimmer because I feel like it's a little flat. But for now, this is what the eye look is looking like. So stay tuned.
Hey guys, I'm so tired. I've been working nonstop. I wanted to do this voiceover, but I'm too tired. But I wanted to tell you exactly what I used because I know I sound horrible. So I used bronze glitter from MAC. I'm gonna use this CoverGirl Queen Collection concealer in dark golden. I'm gonna use the Morph Bronze Gold palette. I'm gonna show you all the colors that I used. There it goes right there. My foundation was Juvia's Place Legos mixed with 470 Tint Edo foundation, and I used my regular concealer, the Tarte Shape Tape Tan Sand Deep, and L'Oreal Infallible concealer in, I believe, Cashew, and my regular powders like I've been using. But I'm gonna get over here. I sound too tired, too terrible, too everything. If you have any questions, link them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.
Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm not wearing this shirt to work, but I'm gonna change my shirt when I get to work. I'm not too happy with my baby hair. For some reason, it will not stay down. But this is as good as it's gonna get for today. Because baby hair is always I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but baby hairs are always a struggle. So yeah, it's gonna bother me because it's not like all the way down. I would like it to be tacked down a little bit more. I feel like it's okay. I'm just going to work. It's not that serious. So I don't been like feel like being bothered. All of that. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed my get ready with me to work edition. Because if I'm able to film before I go to work, I will definitely film. But this is the finished look. I'll probably play with my baby hairs off camera because they kind of irritate me. It's not too bad. But, you know, this is what we have for today. So, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.